One of my favorite Jurassic timeline carnivores has finally got his has finally returned. This is Eustreptospondylus, one of my favorite dinosaurs from the Late Jurassic. The first time I saw Eustreptospondylus was on a really famous BBC video series called Walking with Dinosaurs. And it broke the box office records. It got a few 2001 awards. Let's find some information on this fascinating creature. This isn't sarcasm, you know. Guys, I'm serious. I really love this dinosaur. I do. Anyway, Eustreptospondylus, codenamed coastal carnivore. Fossil finds were in Europe. This guy is usually placed in the Carnosaur group of dinosaurs. They are in a defined group of theropods who have an evolutionary relationship consists by scientists. They include species like Allosaurus and Giganotosaurus. Anyway, the first time I saw this dinosaur, he was stranded on a beach and, well, he spent most of the episode foraging around for food. And to be honest, that was my favorite scene. How we got to see him on the beach. And if you ask me, that exact dinosaur, he was actually looking for a new home. Well, when he was stranded on the beach, that beach was actually his home. Yeah, he even made a new friend along the way. They even shared a steak that they found on the beach. Eustreptospondylus is one of my favorite dinosaurs that I saw in Walking with Dinosaurs. He even got through a huge storm that plunged the ocean into chaos. My mom wants me to do beach scenes with this guy. And you know what? I'll think about it. I was thinking about adding a forest scene and a coast on the ocean. Anyway, now then, what are we doing? Oh yeah. There we are. Now we just draw his tail. finished. There's his upper half. Now let's draw his other foot. Thank you. And there he is, folks. That is how you draw Eustreptospondylus. Have a great summer, guys.